You have $100. Most people will tell you that's not enough to invest. They're wrong, and I can prove it. Warren Buffett made his first investment at age 11, with less money than you have right now. In the next 12 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to turn $100 into your first real investment, step by step, no jargon. But here's the thing, every day you wait, you lose money, not from losing it, from never growing it. 58% of Americans own zero investments. Zero, that's not a money problem. That's an information problem. Hey, I'm Liam. I make simple videos about money, investing, and growing wealth. If you're new here, welcome. Let's get into it. Nobody ever told you the truth about investing. They made it sound like it was only for rich people. That was on purpose. Wall Street built that story on purpose, because the longer you stay confused, the more money they make off you. The truth? You can open a real investment account today, in 5 minutes, with exactly $100. It's not your fault nobody told you. School didn't teach this. Your parents probably weren't taught either. But today changes that. Here's everything I wish someone had told me when I started. Let's start with the most important question. What actually is investing? Because most people get this wrong. Investing is simply putting your money to work. Instead of you working for money, your money works for you. When you buy a stock, you buy a tiny piece of a real company. Apple, Amazon, whatever you believe in, that company grows, makes money, and your slice of that growth goes into your pocket. But here's the thing, your savings account is quietly stealing from you right now, every single month. Inflation runs at 3% per year. Most savings accounts pay 0.5%. You're losing 2.5% of your money's power every year. The stock market, on average, returns 10% per year. That's 20 times better than your savings account. Okay, now you know why. Let me show you the how. Here are the 4 exact steps to invest your first $100. Step 1. Choose a brokerage. This is just the app where your investments live. Think of it like a bank, but for stocks. For beginners, 3 apps stand out. Fidelity, Schwab, or Robinhood. All free. All let you start with $1. My pick for beginners? Fidelity. No minimums. No fees. And the best free education tools I've seen. Opening an account takes 5 minutes. You'll need your name, address, social security number, and a bank to link. Step 2. Fund your account. Link your bank. Transfer $100. This takes about 2 business days to clear. While you wait for the money to clear, don't just sit there. Use that time to decide exactly what to buy. Step 3. Decide what to buy. This is where 90% of beginners make a massive mistake. Most beginners try to pick individual stocks. They buy whatever's trending on social media. This almost always fails. 87% of professional fund managers can't beat the market. You won't outpick them with a Reddit post. The answer for beginners is an index fund or ETF. It's the single greatest investing invention ever created. An ETF is a basket holding hundreds of stocks at once. You buy one thing, you own a piece of everything. The S&P 500 tracks America's 500 biggest companies. When America grows, your money grows with it. Look for VOO, VTI, or SPY. These are the most trusted, lowest fee ETFs on the planet. The fee on VOO is 0.03%. For every $100 you invest, you pay 3 cents per year. 3 cents. One VOO share costs around $500, but fractional shares let you buy $100 worth. You don't need a full share. Step 4. Set up automatic investing. This is the step that separates people who build wealth from people who don't. When investing is automatic, you remove emotion from the equation. Automate your savings so the decision is already made. Scientists call it dollar cost averaging. You invest the same amount every month, no matter what the market does. When the market dips, your $100 buys more shares. When it rises, your shares are worth more. You win either way. Now here's where the magic happens. This is why Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. $100 per month, 10% average return, 30 years. Over $200,000. From $36,000 invested total, start at 25 instead of 35. That same $100 per month becomes $637,000, a $500,000 difference. From 1 decade, your money starts making money, which makes more money. It snowballs. Compound interest is unstoppable once it starts. This is why I make these videos. Nobody showed me this, not school, not my parents. I had to figure it out myself. Warren Buffett made 99% of his wealth after age 52, not because he got smarter, because compound interest kept compounding. Before you run off and invest, I need to warn you about 3 mistakes that kill most beginner portfolios. Mistake number 1, panic selling. The market drops 20%. You freak out and sell everything. You lock in the loss. The S&P 500 has recovered from every single crash in its 100-year history. Every one. Including 2008. Including 2020. The rule is simple. Don't check your portfolio every day. Invest and ignore it. Review it quarterly at most. Mistake number 2. Waiting for the perfect moment to invest. Here's the truth. That moment doesn't exist. Time in the market always beats timing the market. The best time to invest was yesterday. Second best is today. Mistake number 3. Putting all your money in one stock. One company. One idea. That's not investing. That's gambling. This is why ETFs are so powerful. Hundreds of companies. One bad stock doesn't ruin you. You're protected automatically. One more thing before we wrap. Use a Roth IRA. It's the most powerful tool the IRS accidentally gave regular people. You invest after-tax money now. It grows for 30 years. When you withdraw it, 0 taxes. Legally, forever. You can contribute up to $7,000 per year. Start with your $100. Then add more over time. It compounds the same way. And if your employer offers a 401k match, always take it. That's a 100% instant return. Free money is always the right answer. Here's your first week plan. Day 1, open account. Day 2, link your bank. Day 3, buy VOO. Day 7, set auto invest. Stop thinking about $100 as small. Think of it as your first brick. Every mansion you've ever seen started with 1 brick. Once your $100 is invested, your next goal is $500, then $1,000. Then automatic investing does the rest. You just watch it grow. Let's recap. Choose a brokerage. Fund it with $100. Buy VOO. Automate monthly contributions. Never panic sell. If this helped you, smash that like button. It tells YouTube this information deserves to reach people who actually need it. And subscribe. Every week I break down one money concept school never taught you. It's free. It takes 2 seconds. Next week, the exact budget system I use to free up $200 a month to invest. Don't miss it. See you then.